I hate Netflix. Psych. Oh, God of mercy. Why would I hate Netflix? I love their content marketing strategies, and that's what we're going to discuss today. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and if this is your first time, please subscribe so that you get more content marketing tips that I'll be sharing on this channel. First of all, I would like to address the claims I made last week. I said that I was going to make my hair, but unfortunately, there were some extenuating circumstances. Well, I rapped again today, but hey, I wear a pretty gown. Now, today's video will be about what Netflix has taught me about highly addictive content and engaging content. For those of you that has been with me from the very beginning, remember when I said that anything I learn, I'm going to be dropping it on here? Well, we've gotten to that point. I decided to use 1 week to monitor Netflix and find out about how they manage to create engaging content back to back to back to back. Why people think about them once you just think of movies. You know, we can't say chill without Netflix. Netflix and chill, they go together like popcorn and caramel. I don't like caramel. I really don't, but I bought popcorn and caramel. Let's get started. I'm going to be linking these Netflix tips to content marketing. So every tip that I mention, I'm going to mention how it can be incorporated into content marketing. Number 1, Netflix has mastered personalization. Have you noticed that once you've used your Netflix for, let's say, 2 weeks or a month, they start suggesting content to you or movies to you that are kind of in that section. Relating this to content marketing, this is where audience persona comes in. You have to know what your audience likes. This is what I call high-level grade stalking. You have to check what content they check on the internet, check who they follow, check why they follow them, check what kind of content those people post that makes your audience follow them, check the platforms that they are mostly on. Is that person on mostly TikTok? Is he mostly on Instagram? Is he mostly on X? This is to enable you know the kind of content that you are to post. So it seems like, oh, this person, is it that these people, they are in my mind? No, they're not in your mind. They've put you on a research pedestal and they know the next thing that you might want to be close to the next best thing. So the second point, they've mastered the art of creating high quality content. To the point that you might even say, oh, Netflix has a lot of options. I don't know what to choose. I don't know what to choose. Now, relating this to content marketing again, always make sure that your content that you're posting, this is talking to me, always make sure that the content that I'm posting is of high quality. And if you post one and it doesn't do right, instead of dwelling on that one that didn't do right, post more. Out of 10, you're going to get 5 or 3 or 2 that would definitely do well. Netflix does not dwell on movies or series that does not do well. If a great movie comes out next month, the bad press of that other movie would just be forgotten. That's just how the internet works. Nothing stays in vogue forever. Number 3, they've mastered the art of creating binge-worthy content. If you notice, they do this thing where they release all episodes of a series, except the case of Bridgerton, and I don't understand why they cut it A and B. I get it for the anticipation purposes, but that hurt me. We're digressing. They've mastered the art of creating binge-worthy content. You know that thing where you click, oh, just one more episode. Oh, just one more episode. You're definitely going to keep coming back for more. Now, relating this to content marketing again, try to create a how-to series. For my personal Instagram page, I have come up with a how-to series for my followers, how to create designs on Canva, how to do this on Instagram. So it's something that keeps people coming back, that be like, oh, on Wednesday, this person posts this kind of content. And if you do that, you'll have a lot of returning audience coming back to your page. Next point. Netflix thrives on data. Some of the reasons why most shows are cancelled is because they didn't do well. They are also a business as well. They would want that whatever movie they've put their investment into would definitely thrive. Why invest in something that didn't thrive at season 1 and do season 2? I know there are some people but there are some segments of people that like the movie. Yes, we're still waiting for Shadow and Bone, but we have to look at the data, the facts, the numbers in order to keep moving as a brand. Likewise, you as a content marketer, go through your analytics every time you post a content. Wait for a week. I wait for a week. right? For it to be a little bit more accurate, or wait for a month if you want to be more accurate, then try to see if that content you posted, it did well. The series you posted, how is it performing? How many men do you have coming back to this page? How many women? What's the age demographic? Oh, I think this had more reach without ads. Oh, I think this had reach with ads. How was the organic growth? Always go back to your analytics. It's very, very important. If not, if you're creating content without looking at your analytics, you might risk your brand creating swipeable content. We don't want that. Next point. Netflix use FOMO a lot. FOMO means fear of missing out. The amount of promotions they would do for one movie, you would wonder if that movie is more than it actually is. Some people hate watch. Mind you, hate watch also increases views for people that don't know. Now, linking this to content marketing. If you're releasing a product, don't release everything. Be giving snippets, small features, people talking about it. Maybe create a hashtag so that I'm like, oh, what are these people talking about? Oh, I actually want to know what these people are talking about. Try to put FOMO into your content marketing strategy. Netflix connects with fans on social media. They sometimes post memes from audiences. They sometimes repost some people's content. They've now started bringing influencers, right, to interview some of the cast, which is something that I say that is brilliant because it's a way of that movie to reach the influencers audience. Reply to comments. Yes. If someone shared your post on Instagram, go there, comment on it, like it, screenshot it, post it on your own story. Make them feel like, oh my God, this brand that I've been wanting to connect with, I finally connected with them. Leverage user-generated content a lot, and you'll see a large difference. These are some of the lessons Netflix has taught me. I am going to be using some of these lessons on my personal Instagram and TikTok. Yes, I'm on TikTok. I don't dance as much, but I'm on TikTok, and try to see how far that goes. Okay, guys, I will be seeing you in my next video, and hopefully it's going to be more interesting and educative as this one. Bye, guys.